If you want to match lithium battery packs with different strength voltage, use one piece of BMS board. Try this. If you want to quickly and efficiently balance the voltage differences of battery pack with one piece of BMS board, try this. If you still want to achieve same power expansion of the battery with one piece of BMS board, similarly, try this. Hey guys, I'm Wei from Daily BMS. I can't wait to share with you the new products from Daily Watch and Balance, so let's get started. First, intelligent strength connection. This BMS offers 3 versions to meet the needs of different lithium battery pack types, 4 to 24 strengths. No matter it's Li-ion cells or LPO4 cells, and even how many strengths, one piece is enough. For example, this one can be used in the 4 to 8 strengths battery pack, and that is 12 volts to 24 volts. And this one can be used in the 8 to 17 strengths battery pack, and that is 24 volts to 60 volts. And this is for the 8 to 24 strengths. Continuous charge and discharge current can be selected from 40 ampere to 200 amperes. So this type will be more conducive to your stocking. Just need to prepare different current requirements. 2. Active balancing. If you are concerned about the voltage differences in the lithium battery pack, which may result in insufficient charge and discharging, then this BMS board adopts a bidirectional DC balancing method. The 1 ampere active balancing current can efficiently balance the voltage difference problem. Oh, by the way, it's a constant balancing current of 1 ampere. 3. Cell power connection. The built-in current limiter module in the BMS board means that you can directly connect 2 separate lithium battery packs in parallel, making inspection safer. In addition, the Bluetooth module is also built in the BMS, which can intelligently manage the lithium battery pack through your mobile app. At present, Daily Watch and Balance BMS have also received a large number of positive reviews from users. Of course, there are more features. I'm looking forward to your own experience.